Hey everyone, Crowbar here. Cooking with Crowbar. Today was pretty eventful. Went to Walmart, got some supplies. I installed the Power Drive 3000 power inverter. Yay. So that's what's going to be powering up the Galanz. I thought it was a stray dog came up to me. Now you all know I have Bella. And I was really heartbroken because I thought somebody dropped him off. But no. Two people belong to this dog. Come to find out, his name is Leroy. Leroy, if you're watching, I'm glad I met you, buddy. You're an awesome dog. Shells, I believe it was, and Kyle are Leroy's family. So my heart was relieved to know he wasn't dumped off. Because people do that crap out here. If you get a dog and you want him to travel with you and you dump him off, you're lower than the dog. And I mean you, whoever you are. So with that being said, Shells and Kyle, very good people. Love them a lot. Either way. Then I met another driver that drives for a company that I'm not going to mention. He drives a red truck. You know who you are, buddy. And I signed the power inverter that kept kicking off on me using that. So he got lucky today. Got a piece of memorabilia. Crowbar memorabilia. And an old toolbox that I used, old school wooden toolbox. Anyway, without further ado, found these personal little pizzas. They're pretty good size. Pretty good size. Mine, I'm gonna add these pickles. These are hotter than Frank's Red Hot. And they're better. I love these things. So, if you like hot pickles, these are the ones to get. Wickles. I already put the pickles on my pizza, on just one of them. But I'm gonna show you guys, man. These pickles are nice and thick. They're good. They got some good heat to them. Eat your heart out, Frank's Red Hot. Nasty ass hot sauce. You shouldn't even call yourself hot sauce. You should call yourself fake candy coating for buffalo wings. Anyway. Oh. I could eat the whole jar, but I'm not gonna do it. Here we go. So we're gonna air fry our pizza in the Galanz. So I'm gonna hit air fry. Set it for 375. Say about what, 35 minutes?
So 23 to 25 minutes.
30 minutes. Oh, you gotta hit start, then time.
Remember, it doesn't heat
There's
up.
30. Now I'm gonna put it in. And shut the door. Oh, air fry, 375. 30 minutes. Started. Notice how I'm holding the label with the name so you can see it. They're Wickles. Wickle pickles. They're good. I don't know. Ugh. Why do you keep watching me eat pickles? That's weird. You know, I want to eat. 27:55 later. They should be done. Oh my God. The power inverter that I just installed that I thought was going to be perfect kicked off. But luckily, I have an app on my phone that Bluetooth connects to the inverter. I didn't have to get out of the truck. Turned it back on through the phone. Oh fuck, no I didn't. Okay, you see the power is still on. The power's on. Turn it off through my phone. I didn't have to get out of the truck to turn it back on. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna turn the RPMs up and we'll continue doing this. Okay, as you can see, we're back in business. It's back on, the RPMs are up. That's why we're vibrating everywhere. Because the camera's sitting here and, you know, it should work. I had the APU on, it was running off APU power. Now it's running off the truck's power. The alternator in the APU is too small, it won't, you know what I mean. So, wish me luck. Wish me eat and go to bed, because I gotta get up at like 2 o'clock in the morning. My escort will be here shortly. He'll have to follow me. So I can get out of Arizona, and he'll still have to follow me to Long Beach. Wow, smelling like pizza already. You know, I think I ranted earlier about the dog Leroy. And about, you know what I said. So I don't have to do a Crowbars rant. That sucks. It's really smelling like pizza. You can see the pizza's turning in there. And the heating coil is really red hot. I wouldn't touch that. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Not me. Haha, gotcha. So I'll show you guys. There's my oversized load, right? Hey, look at that. Ain't nobody see it. Son of a bitch. Nothing. Alright, so there's the power inverter. 3,000 watt power drive. It's doing good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my dirty Peter. Look how dirty this. A little trucker humor. Peterbilt. Get it? Dirty Peter. Look at all that dirt. I haven't had a chance to get her cleaned up. Came back into the truck after showing you guys my dirty Peter. And it's overwhelmed with the aroma of a pizza. This smells better than any other pizza I've smelled before. And it was only $2.08. Probably because I'm hungry. All right, I'm gonna check the pizzas. We're halfway. So I'm gonna check the pizzas and make sure they're not getting burnt. It's hot. Looks good to me. Oh yeah.
Hey, that's mine.
All right, I do believe the pizzas are done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Probably burn my fingers off in the process, but I'm gonna take them out. All right, so $2.08 pizzas. You get 4 of them in that little box. Must be a new thing, but I'm gonna take advantage of it. So I hope it doesn't taste like crap. Well, that's mine. They're little deep dish pizzas. pretty damn good, huh?
Yeah, it does.
They're nice and heavy.
Yeah, they are.
How do you know how heavy they are? You ain't even got one yet.
No, I know how heavy the box was.
Oh.
So,
Right.
oh yeah, look at that. Looks good.
So I think air frying your pizzas turns out really well. See that? Little personal pan pizza, deep dish pizza. All right, seems how these are new pizzas and I've never seen them before. I'm gonna let Crystal taste them first. Go ahead, taste them out.
They smell good. It's hot.
Oh yeah, she wanted me to cut hers up in little triangles.
Yeah, it's like a little triangles.
Hold that up to the,
Oh, little triangles.
literally, yeah, whatever. Might as well got pizza bites.
Yeah, it's a little princess like that.
Crunchy crust.
Delicious.
So I'm gonna try mine.
Oh yeah. For $2, that's some pretty damn good pizza.
All right, so I'm gonna try mine with a pickle. Remember the pickles I put on? Hot.
Very good though.
You know what? I think the pickle made it better.
I would
I'm
totally
gonna try a slice with no pickle.
I would totally buy these again.
Yeah, hot dog.
Those are way better
For
than
$2.08, you get 4. I mean, they're little personal pizzas, deep dish. And you can air fry them in the Galanz. Works perfectly. Crust is crunchy. It's done on the bottom. It's not soggy. Yeah, I'd buy them again. You're right. Yeah, we would buy them again.
I like Tortino's pizza. It's a little better than them.
Anyway, I'm going to finish my meal, go to bed. Thank you very much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and click that bell next to it. Leave a like. Yeah, I'm gonna finish eating and then go to bed. Until next time, keep the rubber on the road. Stay in your lane. Be kind. Be nice to people. One day you might need it too. So, see ya.
Bye.
Bye.